Hello, and welcome to this session on personal protective equipment and legal requirements. Today, we'll explore the role of PPE in workplace safety, how it fits within the hierarchy of control, and the key legal responsibilities involved. Personal protective equipment is any gear worn or held to protect against workplace risks. It includes items like helmets, gloves, and goggles. PPE must be designed to safeguard against specific hazards. It is not to be confused with ordinary clothing or accessories. Only equipment intended for safety purposes qualifies as PPE. Common PPE includes safety glasses, hard hats, and respirators. Ear defenders and high-vis clothing are also typical examples. Each type of PPE targets specific risks, such as noise or visibility. Proper selection depends on the hazard present. The right PPE ensures effective protection for workers. Not all protective equipment is covered by PPE regulations. Items for sports or military use have separate rules. Ordinary work clothes are not considered PPE. Road safety gear, like motorcycle helmets, is also excluded. Understanding these exclusions is crucial for compliance. Certain PPE is governed by unique regulations due to specific risks. Respiratory protection falls under COSH 2002. Hearing protection is guided by noise at work regulations. Asbestos and radiation work have their own rules. These laws ensure targeted safety measures. PPE is the final measure in hazard control. It does not eliminate risks but shields the wearer. If PPE fails, the risk remains. It cannot protect bystanders or remove hazards. Proper use and maintenance are critical for effectiveness. The hierarchy of controls prioritizes hazard management. Elimination is the first step, removing risks entirely. Substitution and engineering controls follow. Administrative controls precede PPE, which is the last resort. This order ensures comprehensive safety measures. Elimination removes hazards from the workplace. Substitution replaces them with less harmful alternatives. Both methods significantly reduce risk. They are preferred over relying solely on PPE. Examples include removing chemicals or using quieter machinery. Engineering controls create barriers between workers and hazards. They include machine guards and ventilation systems. Administrative controls change work procedures to enhance safety. They require adherence to protocols and training. Both are essential before considering PPE. PPE is used when other controls are insufficient. It is essential for residual risk protection. Proper usage and maintenance are crucial. PPE must be provided and used correctly. It complements, but does not replace, higher-level controls. The Health and Safety at Work Act 1974 is foundational. It mandates employer duties for workplace safety. PPE provision is part of this responsibility. The Act applies to all employees and workplaces. Compliance ensures a safe working environment. These regulations require risk assessments. Employers must identify and mitigate hazards. They guide the application of the hierarchy of controls. Training and information dissemination are also mandated. This ensures ongoing safety management. The PPE at Work regulations set specific duties. Employers must assess, provide, and maintain PPE. Training on correct usage is required. The 2022 amendment extends these duties to more workers. Compliance is crucial for safety and legal adherence. These regulations focus on manufacturers. PPE must meet design and certification standards. Categories define risk levels, from minor to serious. UKCA and CE markings indicate compliance. Proper labeling and information are mandatory for market entry. Employees have legal duties regarding PPE. They must use it as instructed and report defects. Care and maintenance are personal responsibilities. Cooperation with safety measures is mandatory. Non-compliance can lead to prosecution. Spotting a defect in PPE is crucial. Employees must report issues immediately. Using defective PPE is a breach of duty. Proper tagging and isolation prevent further use. Timely reporting ensures safety and compliance. Proper storage and care extend PPE lifespan. Employers provide suitable accommodation. Daily care is the wearer's responsibility. Clean and store PPE as per instructions. Improper handling voids its protective function. This underscores the importance of active PPE management. PPE is essential but should be the last resort. Always prioritize higher-level controls. Compliance with regulations ensures safety and legality. Employees and employers share responsibilities. Active enforcement and proper training are critical. Explore the HSE website for comprehensive PPE guidance. Review the Health and Safety at Work Act for foundational knowledge. Management regulations provide detailed risk assessment protocols. PPE Regulations 2016 outline manufacturer responsibilities. Continuous learning enhances workplace safety. Understanding PPE and its legal framework is vital for workplace safety. Both employers and employees have critical roles to play. Compliance ensures protection and minimizes risks effectively.